Good day, everyone. Well, I hope your gardening season is going awesome. Thanks for dropping by our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share us around. Today, I'm going to show you guys part of our new area of food forest. We picked up some Haskup berries, or I think they're called honeyberries as well, from a gentleman a few weeks ago. He was going to sell us 3-year-old plants for 15 bucks, but he ended up having some 4-year-old plants. He's like, just take those, they've got fruit. So we got 2 Haskup berries I transplanted a week and a half ago, and they're our first fruiting trees or bushes, whatever you want to call them, on our homestead. So we picked up 2. I'm going to end up trying to clone them and expand them so we have a lot more. But here they are anyways, 2 of our Haskup berries. And like I said, they are one of the first fruiting things of the season. And these guys are loaded with berries here. They're pretty big size too. So I've tried these before. My uncle grew these at his garden and I didn't really know when to pick them. I always thought, hey, you know what? Look, it's ripe. Let's pull it off. Try it. And that was actually pretty sweet. Usually they're a little bit tart. They're slightly tart, but this one's actually pretty tasty. But the guy told us that when you pick them, you kind of just like tickle them, and if they fall off, then they're ready. But they don't seem to be doing that, and they seem to be pretty plump right now. Here's one on the ground here. So try that one out. That one's definitely a little bit more ripe, a little sweeter. But I have a feeling that most of these are pretty close to being ready, because it looks like they're starting to dry out just a little bit. But here's the other one over here. Yeah, they're definitely ready. So look at them all on here. Yeah, so there's some of them are falling off when I touched the branch. So I think they're definitely ready here to be picked. So these plants, they're cold hardy, I believe, to zone 3. So we're zone 4, so that works out well for us. And I think what I'm going to do, I'll pick some right now, and we'll have a small little snack for the day. But yeah, this is what we're going to do. This whole area here is just kind of wasted space. So I started weeding this yesterday. I gotta come in with a lawnmower and lawnmower it up. We also got some whole bunch of rhubarb roots as well from a woman, one of Kristen's friends, we dug up I think 2 days ago. So I need to get this area prepared so I can throw in a whole bunch of rhubarb down here as well. That'll expand our food forest. And I've got some goji berries here I showed you before. This one's slowly coming back to life, but these ones over here definitely aren't very happy. I think they're pretty much dead. So after Kristen broke her wrist last year, she didn't have time to look after them in the pots, and they're basically just all done. And I think this one over here is dead as well. But anyways, what can you do? So I just want to show you the Haskup berries real quick. It's super easy to grow. Don't think they take much effort. You just put them in and they go to town. And I think they get to be fairly big bushes. I think my uncles are probably twice the height of these ones right now. But I will be definitely rooting some of these, which I'll show you in a different video because I got some rooting balls. So I'll try rooting a whole bunch, and then we'll plant a whole bunch more that we have for next year. So I hope you guys just enjoy that quick video on our Haskup berries. Pretty excited to have these in the food forest. And I'll do a full tour of the food forest because some of the 1-year-old trees we bought, I think the 2 or 3-year-old trees we bought, fruit trees, are already fruiting with apples and pear, which I thought was going to be, you know, another 2 to 3 years at least. So that's super exciting for us. We might get fruit off our fruit trees this year. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll see you out there. Have a great day. Happy gardening.